Did you know that? Ancient Egyptian women cared a lot about their appearances.
Makeup dates all the way back to 6000 BCE. Starting with the Egyptians, they created it as they believed makeup was next to godliness and that it appealed to the gods. Both men and women of all social classes wore makeup. It was also used to represent their wealth, which is a pattern we will see continuing for thousands of years. Many poor peasants relied on clay pots and sticks to store and apply their makeup, while the wealthy had access to delicately created boxes and applicators, often bejeweled and made of ivory. The most popular makeup that the Egyptians were known for was khol, which is similar to black eyeshadow but used to line the eyes, usually made from a grey or called galena. Khol is still used to this day, although back when it was commonly paired with blue or green eyeshadow, but now can be paired with anything. And they also wore red lipstick, which was made by mixes fat and red ochre. The ancient Egyptians also did not limit beauty to their faces, often using henna to stain hairs, fingertips, and toes. Moreover, the Egyptians saw makeup as a source of personal power. They believed that having makeup on their eyes protected them from the evil eyes and that kohl protected them from various diseases and damage from the sun. By this time, people in ancient Greece and Rome began wearing makeup. For them, they strived to achieve a more natural look. Women wore light touches of color on their cheeks and lips, created by mixing plants or fruits with lead-based dyes and mercury. On the other hand, they also wore light powder foundations at times, but mostly made sure their natural skin was flawless by using honey and olive oil in their various skincare products like a moisturizer and cleanser. The only things less natural about makeup in ancient Greece were the eyes and eyebrows. Olive oil and charcoal were often used to make eyebrows bolder and to darken around the eyes. Throughout this period, Chinese royalty used nail polish to represent their social status. High ranking leaders wore silver or gold, low ranking leaders wore black or red, and the poorer classes were forbidden to wear any nail polish to at all. And around 600 CE, Chinese women began to use very light colored foundations, which were usually made up of a very white powder to distinguish themselves from the working classes. They also wore strong red powder on their cheeks and darkened their eyebrows. During this time, Christian writers began to create an association between makeup and deception. Women began to work on skincare to give the appearance of naturally flawless skin using homemade recipes. Suddenly, during the 1550s, everything changed when the Elizabethan concept of beauty gained popularity. Every woman began plucking their eyebrows to give the illusion of having a big forehead, whitened their skin using cerise, and colored their cheeks and lips with egg whites, orchids, and even mercury. These beauty trends caused various dangers to women's health and played a major role in bringing the life expectancy down to 29 years. Another queen who influenced beauty trends, only this time it was against them all, was Queen Victoria, who believed that makeup was unladylike and vulgar. This created a backlash against wearing makeup that is arguably is still seen in the world today. At this time, women began pinching their cheeks and biting their lips to give themselves a rose colored look. Many women who continued to wear makeup were looked down upon and considered prostitutes. During the 1920s, the looks of the Hollywood movie star began encouraging women to wear makeup. This caused the beauty industry to flourish and makeup began to be sold to the masses. This led to unique beauty trends such as the red lipstick of the 1950s and the thin eyebrows of the 1990s. In the world we know today, our thoughts on makeup are more open than ever before. This only happened recently, as even just a decade ago, our world was focused on tearing down even the most famous of celebrities for their looks through social media. Now, however, makeup is being promoted to everyone of every race, gender, and class through social media. Makeup has turned into whatever anyone wants it to be. People can wear no makeup, colorful makeup looks, create their own makeup brands, and even have a career in makeup artistry.